Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexa in Aklabat High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started our discussion with mensuration. What did we learn? We learned with the basic formulas, then we did the first two exercises, right? Today, let us start the next two exercises combinedly, which includes the basic volumes and the comparison with its weight or height or whatever, right? And the last exercise we will learn what is the volume of a compound or a solid form when two or more solids are combined. Okay, shall we start? See here, the question here given it is an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion, that is obviously pillar will be either in the cylindrical or else in the cubical form, that is if it is in the cylindrical form, okay, let us assume some radius and some height of 2.8 meter height, okay, this is the height of a pillar, and cone of 42 centimeter height, okay, 20 meter is given as diameter, 20 meter diameter, and he is telling a cone of 42 centimeter height surmounting it, okay, 42 centimeter height is surmounting it seems, that is some cone, okay, there is a height of a cone which is just 42 centimeter. Find the weight of a pillar if 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.5 grams. Okay, shall we do? How do we do? First of all, we have to find the volume of a cylinder and we have to find the volume of this cone also. Okay, shall we do? See here. Now tell me what is the total volume? Volume of a solid, or else let us write simply a pillar, is, what is it? Volume of a cylinder plus volume of cone. Now tell me what is the volume of a cylinder? That is pi r square h plus what is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now the r is same in both the cases. Let us simplify and check. Pi into, let us put pi like that only, let us multiply at the last. What is r? R is 10 meter. Okay. What is height? Height is 2.8 plus 1 by 3. What is r here? 42 centimeter, that is nothing but 42 by 100. Okay. Now tell me what is h? Sorry, h is 42 by 100. What is r? 10. Okay, that is 10 square. Is it fine? You do understand? Now see here. Just let us multiply and check it. Pi into 100 into 28 by 10 plus 1 by 3 into 42 by 100 into 100. Okay. Make sure that we simplify the whole thing in different way. Okay. What shall we do? Let us take this 100 by outside. Okay. Let us take this 100 pi outside. 100 pi outside. What is left? 28 by 10. Okay. Now see here, 3 ones are 3. How much? 3 ones are 3 and the next 3 fours are that one. That is, here it is 28 by 10 plus 14 by 100. That can be written as 100 pi into 2.8 plus 0.14. Can I write 100 pi into, how much is it? 2.8 into 0.14, that is 2.94. Therefore, my answer is 294 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, isn't it? What is that we have found now? We have found now the volume of a whole pillar. Okay, then what did he give? He gave for 1 cubic centimeter the weight is 7.5 grams. Then for 294 pi centimeter cube, what is the weight? Okay, therefore let us write it here simply. Weight of 1 cubic volume is 7.5 grams. Then for 294 pi centimeter cube. What is the weight? Okay, that is nothing but 294 into 22 by 7 into 75 by 10. Okay, now tell me, after multiplying everything, what will be the answer? What is it? That is 693,000. Isn't it? Do we get those many? Just check here. What is the question given? He gave everything is in meter. Okay. This will be in meter cube. This will also be in meter cube. Okay. Now we have to multiply 1000 to it. Okay. 693,000 grams. That is nothing but 693 kilograms. Isn't it? Did you understand? Fine. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. The question given here it is, he is asking us to find the volume of largest right circular cone, that is a cone which can be cut out of a cube of whose edge is 7 centimeter. Okay, if there is a cube and each edge is of 7 centimeter, he is asking us to cut a cone. Okay, that is, if this is a cube each of 7 centimeter, okay, now we have to cut a cone, right? Maximum we can cut a cone like this. Okay, then what will be the radius? Tell me. The diameter of a base of a cone will be 7 and the height also will be the 7. Now we have to find the volume, isn't it? See here, that is given radius is 7 by 2 centimeter, height is a 7 centimeter. Now tell me, what is the volume of a cube? Volume of cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into what is r? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. What is h? 7. Is it fine? Just multiply everything. 7 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 11s are. Okay. Then still anything to cut? 11 into 49 divided by 6. Just multiply. 49 11s are how much is it? 49, 9, 13, 5. 539 by 6 centimeter cube. Isn't it? The only thing we have to understand that inside a cube, how to write how to draw a cube, cone. Is it fine? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. The next question is given here. It is, he is telling a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into a shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, a sphere where it is melted and recasted into a shape of cylinder. Okay, that radius is 6 centimeter. He is asking us to find the height of cylinder. That is nothing but, what is given? Given radius r is equal to 4.2 centimeter of sphere. The next, radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter. Now this is being melted into a cylinder, therefore the volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Isn't it? What's the volume of a sphere? Tell me. 4 by 3 pi r cube. What's the volume of a cylinder? Tell me. That is pi r square h. Okay. Here we know the r. Here also we know the r. Let us say this is r1 and this is r2. Shall we substitute? See here. Pi will get cancelled. Okay. 4 by 3 into what is r1? Let us say this is r1, this is r2. Is 4.2 whole cube, that is, what is r2? 6 into h. Right? Just write what is h now. H is equal to 4 by 3 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 divided by 6 into 6. Fine. Shall we solve it? That will be my height. Okay. See here. How do we do? 6 ones are 6, 7s are 6 ones are again 6 7s are. Okay, still anything we can cancel? Yes, but it's better let us put that whole thing like that only. Let us cancel this also. 3 ones are 3. How much is it? 321. Isn't it 3 into 21 or 14 threes are right? Okay, if you want to cancel more, we can. That is by taking 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Or else better let us put uh, 4 into 49 into 14 divided by 1000. Just multiply and divide it by 1000, that will be your answer. How do we do, tell me? Just multiply. 14 4s is 14 4s is 56. Just multiply and tell me the answer. 49 into 56, that is 2744 divided by 1000, that is nothing but 2.744 centimeter. Is it fine? See the next question. He is telling there are 3 metallic spheres, each of radius 6, 8 and 10. 3 spheres of radius 6, 8, 10. He is telling these 3 metal spheres are combined together to form a big sphere. That big sphere is of radius, we have to find it. Is it fine? This is made into big radius r, that is made into big sphere of radius r. What do we do? That is, we have to write volume of new sphere is equal to sum of volumes of 3 spheres. Okay. Now, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right. Here 4 by 3 pi, first radius is 6 cube. 4 by 3 pi, second radius is 8 cube. 4 by 3 pi, third radius is 10 cube. Let us take 4 by 3 pi common. What is left? 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. Let us cancel these both. Then r cube will be, what is 6 cube? 36 into 6. That is nothing but 216. Hope you know this. Okay. What about 8 cube? 8 into 8 is 64. 64 8s is 512. What about 10 cube? 1000. Just add everything. What do we get? That is, how much is it? 6 plus 2, 8. And the next 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 1. This is r cube. Now, what is the cubic root of 1728? Tell me. Let us find the cubic root in a formal way. 1728 divided by 2. How much do we get? 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 4 3 2. Right. 2 2s are, and the next 2 16. Then next follow it. 2 1s are 2 8s are, and the next 1 0 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 into 27. 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay. Now tell me, for cubic root means we have to take 3 numbers single digit. That is 2 into 2 into 3. That is nothing but 12. Therefore, my radius here of a new resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Right? You do understand, we are recasting here 3 different spheres into a single sphere. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the next question here. That is, he is telling that a 20-meter deep well of diameter 7 meter is dug. Okay. The well diameter is, the well height is 20 meter. Okay. And diameter is 7 meter is dug, and the earth, whatever the soil or whatever material it is there, it is got by digging is evenly spread out to form a rectangular platform of base 22 by 14. Somewhere they made a base of 22 meter and height 14 meter here. The length is 22 and the breadth is 14. He is asking us to find the height of a platform here. Okay, that is what is the volume they have taken from this earth, that is the whole volume is spread evenly as a base of a cuboid. Okay, base as a cuboid. Okay, see here, that is the volume of a cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Is it right? Now tell me here, given radius as 7/2, height as 20, okay, and the next, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of that cuboid. Okay, now tell me what is the volume of a cylinder? That is pi r square. H, volume of a cuboid is LBH. Okay, now 22/7 into what is the radius here? 7/2 into 7/2 into what is height? 20. Here length is 22, breadth is 14. We have to find height. That's it, right? Therefore, height is equal to 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 20 divided by 22 into 14. Fine, shall we do? See here, 22 will get cancelled, 7 will get cancelled, 7 1s are 7 2s are. Okay, that will be 20/2 into 2 into 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are, 2 1s are 2 5s are, that is 5/2, which is 2.5 meter. Okay, what is this? This is the height of this rectangular base. Is it fine? Did you understand? Just try to understand the question. It might be the longest questions in other things, but make sure that you understand the basic strategy how to solve it. Okay, shall we go on to the next problem? Let's do. See here, the next question given here it is. He is asking how many silver coins 1.7 centimeter in dia and thickness 2 mm. See here, a silver coin. What is the shape of a silver coin? That is cylinder. Don't forget it. That is, it's very less, but it's fine. We have to consider it as a cylinder. The height is 2 mm and the diameter or the radius is 1.7/2 centimeter. Okay, either convert everything into centimeter or else convert everything into millimeter. It's better we'll convert everything into mm. Okay, he is telling it has to be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5, 10 and 3.5. Okay, now let us write everything in terms of mm. Okay, for coin radius is 1.7 centimeter by 2, that is nothing but 170/2 mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. I mean 1 centimeter is 10 mm. Hope you know that. Fine. And the next, thickness. Thickness in the sense height. Height is equal to 2 mm. Let us put it like that. Okay. And the next, tell me, for cuboid, length is 5.5 centimeter, that is 55 mm. Breadth is 10 centimeter, that is 100 mm. Height is 3.5 centimeter, that is nothing but 35 mm. Okay, therefore the volume of this coin, volume of single coin is equal to 7. What is the formula of a cylinder? Tell me. That is pi r square h. Here volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. Okay, just divide. Therefore, number of coins required to form a single cuboid is the volume of cuboid into volume of this number of coins. Okay, shall we find? Now see here, this is 55 into 100 into, this is 100, 35 divided by 22/7 into what is the radius? 17/2. What is the height? Height is 2. Okay, can you simplify and solve? Yes, right. See here, 2 2 will get cancelled. Okay, and the next 11 5s are 11 2s are. Still anything we can do? 5 into 100 into 35 into 7 by 17 into 2. Okay, just solve and tell me what do we get? That is here it is 17 square, right? This will become 17 by 2 into 2. 2 2 will however get cancelled, 1 more 2 also will get cancelled. What is left here? 17 into 17. Okay, now tell me what do we get? Can we cancel something? That is 35 into 35 into 100 by 17 into 17. Just cancel and tell me if you want. Just on an average we can do 17 ones are 17 twos are 17 ones are 17 twos are. This can become 400 approximately. Okay, therefore the number of coins required to make a single cubit of this dimensions is nothing but 400 coins. Is it clear? Did you understand? By this chapter, by this question we have ended the chapter, that is mensuration. Right? By the end of this chapter we have completed the whole book, that is 10th class maths textbook. Is it fine? Hope everything is clear. Fine? If you have any doubt, you can just ping me in the comment so that I can help you in solving